Alright guys, welcome back to the channels. This is going up on both my channels. So what's going on? Well, you'll notice that videos are getting deleted, and some of them are just getting put back up and it'll say raw footage of this video. So why am I doing that? Well, I'm getting copyright claims. What's a copyright claim? In my case, whoever owns the music that was being used on my video is saying that's my music, and I want the revenue from this video. And YouTube is saying, okay, that might sound fair, other than the fact that I'm paying GoPro to use the copyright, to use that music. There's supposed to be copyright-free music on the GoPro app, and some of it apparently is, some of it apparently isn't, and the music that I'm using for certain videos isn't, and I'm getting the copyright claims. I think it's crap because, again, I'm paying, and it said, hey, that was one of the selling points, use this copyright-free music so you don't get copyright strikes. So videos that I've edited, I'm now getting copyright strikes for, and I'm having to pull them down. If those were some of your favorite videos, I'm going back through. If I have the raw footage, I'm trying to throw that back up. If not, it's not happening. You know, I'm sorry guys, I really don't make any money off of YouTube. So I've never made 1 cent, nothing from YouTube. I'm doing this mostly because I enjoy playing with the video photography stuff, the editing, and I do this and I work 12 hours a day. So it's not like I can jump on YouTube and, you know, that's the goal. The goal is to start making revenue off of YouTube to the point that I can just do YouTube and just play with the cool cameras and do all the cool stuff and have you guys come along for the ride and be a positive outlet for a lot of people, to show people, you know, a lot of social media has turned into crap, honestly. And I'd really like to just show people that if you just look at good stuff, that's what your social media is going to be. So fishing and the drift trikes and fixing the Ranger. Yeah, the Ranger's back up and running if you haven't noticed on my regular channel. You know, and I'm going to have setbacks. There's a video about to drop about the XR1200 where I did a whole bunch of work to the exhaust to try to clean it up and failed miserably. So y'all are going to get to see that. But through all of this, I'm not going to spend time editing the video to let a company that, you know, I feel almost lied to by GoPro at this point, say, hey, it's copyright free, here's your copyright strike. I'm just not going to do it. So that's what's going on. We'll get it figured out. We'll work around it. I'll make it work. Anyway, guys, I love y'all. Y'all have a wonderful one, and